No, don't worry, your screen is in the right position, but this is the best way to show this 3-pack that I found on a Diecast event. And not so long ago, a Diecast friend showed me a couple of photos from the one on top, and I was like, well, that's not bad at all. And now I found them on a Diecast event. I thought, let's give it a try. What is the brand? Roadblasters Supercars. Never heard of it. Is it a cheap Chinese ripoff from some other brand? Well, probably, but like I said, it is interesting enough for me to give it a try. Okay, here we got the top. Collect them all. Collect them all, okay. Yeah, I also saw the black version on that event. Didn't saw this red version of this V-Dub custom. Okay, here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And now we are going to open the package. And I think we have to do that on the side right here. Here we got some tape. And we got some tape right here. And we got some tape in the middle. And then we can open it. Without ruin the package. Without ruin the package. Stupid. You have to do it like this, of course. Yeah. Now you ruined the package. Okay, let's see. We can take this out. Hey, but let's be honest. 3 good cars in this 3-pack. Let's start with the one in the middle. My least favorite. It feels really light. This is some sort of diecast, but it might be hard plastic. I think it's hard plastic, but it doesn't look that bad. The windows are blacked out. Is there an interior inside? Well, we're going to have a look later. Yeah, I saw break this, break claw, but you see, they're spinning happy around with the rest of the wheel. Got a shark mouth, so that is cool. Max Strong. And a plastic base made in China. I was not expecting that. But overall, I think it's a pretty cool looking pickup. Okay, I have a very bright light, and then we can have a look inside. And we can see that there is absolutely nothing inside. No seats, no steering wheel, nothing. Okay, then we're going to have a look at this one right here. I think this is pretty cool looking. Oh, the wheel is a little bit bent, I think, because it doesn't roll. Maybe we can bend it a little bit back. No. Same here on the other side. KQ. Not sure if this means something. Okay, we got a chromed base. That's a little bit better than this black plastic. And we got angry looking front lights. I like that. Yeah, this is also a pretty cool car, I have to say. Not bad at all. Okay, let's have a look in the interior if that's possible. What? There is a steering wheel. There is. You see it? That little stump over there? That's a steering wheel. And we also have a seat, or something that looks like a seat. You see that? So there is a seat inside, and here in the back, not much. Okay, then I have another look in this one. Yeah, it seems that there is something like a steering wheel, but I don't think it is. Okay, and then the last one. Hey, in my opinion, this thing looks pretty badass. It even got side mirrors. Holy smoke. Molten windscreen wipers. Depressed looking front lights. Yeah, I think this one is pretty cool. Yeah, cool guy. Definitely, you are a cool guy. Big spoiler here in the back. Not bad at all. And these side mirrors are made out of metal. Here we got the base. Rolling wheels with again the brake disc and the brake claw. Okay, now let's have a look inside. We can see something. No, that is not much. No. I think I see something that looks like a seat. There are two seats inside. Is there a no, there is, yeah. This is the steering wheel. Wait a minute, here it is. You see it? What? Let's do it like this. Switch to another camera. Yeah. Here is the steering wheel. So sweet. Okay, although it's a very cheap diecast, I think this is pretty awesome stuff. For the price you pay, I paid, and that's on a diecast event, like €3 something. Imagine when you find these things in store, there will be probably like €1 something, $1 something. I think you get very cool cars. Yeah, these two are absolutely winners. And I think the people that made these cars, well, you can get an applause for a non-licensed product, for something what I think is a rip-off of some other brand. I think you did pretty good. Yeah, and I would like to see more. Okay, this is not really my thing, but still. Need some side mirrors. I think it's pretty good. Okay. Let me know what you think about these vehicles. Maybe you have some more information about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.